Hey beautiful people, today we are going to talk about 21 travel essentials you must carry. Number 1. Sanitizer. Number 2. Mask. Number 3. Sleeping bag liner. Number 4. Comfortable shoes. Number 5. Luggage bag. Number 6. Portable charger and power surge protector. Number 7. Travel pillow. Number 8. Filtered water bottle. Number 9. Lightweight day pack. Number 10. Wireless earbud stereo Bluetooth headphones with a charging case. Number 11. First aid box. Number 12. Packing cubes. Number 13. A small battery operated fan. Number 14. Noise cancelling headphones. Number 15. Some skincare products. Number 16. A travel adapter. Number 17. Travel underwear. Number 18. Slippers. Number 19. Compression socks or tights. Number 20. Disinfecting wipes. Number 21. Energy drinks and multivitamin tablets. So these are the essentials that you need to carry while you're traveling or on the go. Please do subscribe and hit the like button to follow for more. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and the like icon.